Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P5, aka CP Company. See what I did there? And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna go around, come back, and then we're gonna get into it like we're getting into it. Actually, before I do that, let me change something. I thought I'd show you this little CP Company. You might notice the P is different. Let me just show you right there. You see that? You see that? Let me just show you a little close up. So I'm rocking this CP Company times patter long overshirt, or I should say long t-shirt. I got this off Ed Casual Clothing. Yeah, shout out my guy there. Always got the bangers and the heat, so yeah, mad love to him. But yeah, let's get into it and let's go around and get into it like we're supposed to do it, how we're supposed to do it in the beginning. Oh shit, you see what it do, when it don't, when it is, what it isn't. You see what we got here. Let me give you the twirlage. You already know how we do it. Little twirlage in the evening sun. So today we have this beautiful CP Company times Clarks. Clarks, you say? Yes, Clarks. As in Clarks. Well, you know about Clarks me prefer. You know what I'm saying? Got a little weaver on right now. But yeah, we have a CP Company Clarks collaboration. Dropped today. Yes, today. Your guy is, what's the word? I'm current. That's it, I'm current. Anyway, let's get into it. We'll start where we always start. Okay, so there's my waist right there. This t-shirt's long and it comes just beyond my waist. The perfect length for the old wastage length. Okay, of course, let's start at the old cuffages as we like to do. So we have these nice cuffs right here, and these cuffs are not tapered, they're just a normal size. You've got a nice little bit of hand roomage there, and of course the equilibrium c'est un bel thing. It's a beautiful thing, so you can do the mucho hand in, but you cannot taper. Okay, really nice, as you can just see. Let me give you a little close-up. You have that nice lino material. So this material is like a lino, you know, if you know Stone Island and you got the lino flax, it's very similar to that, or it's basically the same material. Anyway, it's of course in this fetching sort of browny gold kind of hue that you can see there. Really dope. As you can see, you've got the padded elbow and you've got the padded forearm, like your favorite geography teacher, except this isn't corduroy, it is rubberized. Can you feel that? Can you see that? Can you feel that? Can you see that? It's a rubberized applique right there. Interesting. I guess when you're wading in the water, at least that bit will be waterproof. And of course, equilibrium c'est un bel thing. We have the same. All right, let me step back and zip up so we can get into the details. As you can see, the tag is swinging low, sweet chariot. Now it's kind of swinging high. Of course, you have your usual YKK zipper right there, as you can see right there, and that has a nice taffeta, I want to say, CP Company zip pull. Of course, the CP Company ones are always quite long. Not complaining, just an observation. Okay, now on the old zip strip, as you can see, you have this brown color right there. So it's sort of like parted by the zip, and either side you have that brown, and that goes all the way, let's see, all the way up to the roof of the neck. As you can see, you've got that neck bit right there. I'll just give you a little twirlage. It goes to the roof of the neck, cover your mouth. Really nice. As you can see, you have the detailing there, CP Company and Clarks Originals. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Clarks me prefer. And yeah, really nice. This material feels super dope, super nice. It's nice and thin. I'm not really the biggest fan of the lino flax. I've got a lino flax jacket, and yeah, I'm not really a big fan of it, but this I think works because of the style of jacket. Anyway, let me give you a little twirl to the arse so you can see. Now, as you can see, left hand side, right hand side, you have two pockets. Un pocket, dos pocket, and they are fastened by rivet buttons, and voila, you put your hands in and you're walking down the streets with your hand in your skyrocket. I said I was walking down the street with my hand in my skyrocket. It's been a while, but that's what mans will be doing. Perfect position, composition, to put your hands and walk down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Perfect. Of course, you have these envelope lid pockets right there, really nice, and they, once again, I might have mentioned, are fastened by rivet buttons, which of course have the old CP of company embellished and burnished in steel on them. Very, very nice. Okay, you also on the zip strip have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8. Maybe 8. I smell a great smell of marijuana from nowhere. Anyway, there are 8 buttons which you can of course press down, and they of course are rivet buttons yet again. Very, very nice. Okay, what else do we have? Guys, this jacket is really nice. They had the schmock, which had the lens viewer there, and it had some nice sort of millimiglia pocketing, as you would say, but to be honest, I just thought it was a bit unconventional. Not unconventional, it was a bit impractical. Like, I didn't want to, because the schmock comes down to there, it's a bit long, and I didn't really want to have to be putting that on all the time, so I thought, let me go for something I can actually wear every day, get some wear out of it, and voila. Alright, as you know, you might have spotted the old goggles, so we've got the beautiful, beautiful goggles right there. Goggle jacket, goggles, boom. There you go. Can you see me? I'm the ascendant. How to space to find another race. Boom. You get me? There you go. Beautiful. And of course, the goggles are fastened by 2 press down rivet buttons once again. Bang. And let me see. I'm going to say bang, but yeah. And then, let me take this off just so you can see exactly where I'm going. Then you have the option, of course, to fasten your jacket hood. Oops, where is it? I can't remember, but that fastens down as well, so it's like it fastens down like that. Yeah, but there you go. You see the goggles up close. Very, very nice. If you look at that, you see there, you've got the old Clark's CP company right there. Of course, once again, you have in there the old CP company, and it tells you it is a goggle jacket. Very nice. You also have your CP company Clark's detailing there, and it is garment dyed. As you can see from the inside, you've got this sort of mesh bit up there by the hood. You see, mesh bit by the hood. You've got the mesh bits up kind of by the arms as well to give you that breathability. On the backhand side, as you can see, you've got little air vents there, so that, you know, when it gets too hot, it's breathable. So yeah, this is a very, very, very nice jacket. Of course, you also have an inside pocket right there, which allows you to stash away your secrets right there. Okay, there's not really much more to say about this. There's not any pockets that you can put your kids or your house in. It's just a normal, super kind of jacket. I'm not gonna lie, I felt a bit exotic, so I thought, why not grab it if not? You know, birthday coming up, I thought one might treat oneself. And yeah, basically, that's what we have, guys. Like I said, dropped today. They dropped alongside it, they dropped a bag in this similar kind of material. They also dropped a schmock. They also dropped 2 pairs of bank robbers, which are called Desert Treks to those who know. And yeah, super, super dope. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. You already know what it is. It's your boy P5, aka CP Company, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that. You guys have been beautiful as always. I know that you guys are dope. I know that you guys are fly. And as always, guys, continue to like, share, comment, and yeah, man, hit me up whenever, whoever. But yeah, guys, stay dope, stay fly, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.